Today, a Moonshine by Humphrey reaction. I'm assuming this is an original. It doesn't say anything about it being a cover. If I am wrong, you guys let me know. If I don't, I'm sure I've never heard this. I don't know of really any song called Moonshine. So this shall be new. I do really like Home Free. I've done quite a few reactions to them. I got a playlist for Home Free. You can check it out. It's down in the playlist section. And let's start out this one. See how it is. Here we go.
Moonshine, rum, whiskey, and rye. We give the top and tail to the mountain trail, but we pour that heart in a jar. That's right, son. Moonshine, little bottle of good time, burns like hell, but it tastes like heaven. Get those bottles on the road, young man. Oh, I am a bootlegger with the trouble all full of moonshine. No, my daddy tried to quell my crimes, thought I just couldn't let it go. My heart was set on money, yeah. And the open road in the moonlight, sooner or later I'll be meeting there. But till then, moonshine, rum, whiskey, and rye. We give the top and tail to the mountain trail, pour that heart in the jar. That's right, son. Moonshine, yeah. It's a little bottle of good time, burns like hell, but it tastes like heaven.
Pretty catchy.
I found myself a lover. She swore she'd never leave me. I found it hard to believe it, but it turned out to be the truth. But my heart was full of trouble, and it always gathered around me. Sooner or later we'll be meeting there. But till then, moonshine, rum, whiskey, and rye. We give the top and tail to the mountain trail, pour that heart in the jar. That's a right, son. Moonshine, little bottle of good time, burns like hell, and it tastes like heaven. Got my butt to the board, boys, chasing the horizon. Before the sun starts rising, can't have the moonshine getting low. And I brewed us up a batch, boy, and get you howling at the moonlight. Floor it till the morning, better hold on tight. Sleep all day, cause we live by night. Oh, moonshine, rum, whiskey, and rye. We give the top and tail to the mountain trail, but we pour that heart in a jar. That's a right, son. Moonshine, it's a little bottle of good time, burns like hell, but it tastes like heaven.
So then, yeah, sounds like a good drinking song. Really good, really catchy. Some nice catchy phrases in there. Yeah, really liked it. I've only tried Moonshine like once, and I was already drunk, so I couldn't really get the full gist of what it tastes like and anything. You know, when you're drunk, it kind of just changes the what things taste like. It's good though. Yeah, really enjoyed it. Sorry I got a little distracted for a second. There was a double-decker bus pulled up. Let's start here. See at the bottom and then the top. First time I've ever seen one. Crazy. I'm sure that it happens a lot, but I'm sure they're everywhere. Probably like, oh, I know, I've seen those all the time. First time I've seen one. So it caught my, first I thought it was just a regular big bus, and then I seen it, I was like, that's so low and that's so high. But no, that's about that. But if you guys got any comments, any recommendations, throw all those in the comment section. I do check them all out. If you want to try some Delta 8 edibles, my buddies over at Appy Trail Bites, they're a small veteran-owned business. Give them some support. All their info is down in the description below. Also, my buddy has a clothing brand called Rising Rebel. Some awesome clothes. You can check that out. That is in my description as well. This is going to be the end. I will catch everyone later. Peace out.